Hi everyone, Jack of all AI here. I recently blew all the dust off of my Jetson Nano development kit from NVIDIA, which I used as a home assistant to run my smart home. I had a Raspberry Pi camera and I thought I would install that. You might have just asked yourself, why is he using a Jetson for a home assistant install? The fact is, I'm rather impatient when it comes to technology. Sure, a Raspberry Pi would have sufficed running HA natively. I wish to use Docker and Proton to expand my skill set, or kind of lack thereof, within Ubuntu. Therefore, using a Nano is like a Raspberry Pi, but on steroids. I've always said that. And it is just that, an incredibly capable and powerful system on a chip the size of a credit card, when docked into the development kit to give you access to its many inputs and outputs, including but not limited to GPIO, DisplayPort, HDMI, USB, etc. Having a GPU on board and connecting to a large monitor is just a beautifully smooth experience. Now, where did all that waffle start, and what's the point to this? The point is that IoT is fast moving towards require on-chip or tiny ML deployed right at the far edge. IoT, or Internet of Things, is deployed everywhere today, from CCTV cameras to intelligent or not so intelligent thermostats. And I would even argue that particular functions within in-car entertainment or the autonomous driver assist functions, they fall into that same category. Now, why do we need further or a greater degree of intelligence at the edge? My first example would be as I put above. CCTV cameras today are far lower resolution than they could be, and there are far too many of them to intelligently process the data, as this is typically burdened by having humans in the loop. So how do we empower that function? Imagine facial recognition or behavioral analysis, but whilst also striving to be cognizant of people's privacy. To improve image quality, super resolution models can be deployed at the edge, therefore decreasing bandwidth requirements whilst inferring and improving image quality. Super resolution is an incredible technology, which at its very base application improves the sharpness of text. Shout out to Jensen Huang, President and CEO of NVIDIA. I'll never forget our conversation with Magic Pony Technology, who were acquired by Twitter. I recently found when connecting my iPad to my LG monitor at home that it had a super resolution built in. And guess what? It vastly improved the sharpness of text and readability, whilst also providing a pretty smooth experience. Now, facial recognition and behavioral analysis, I truly believe that if you're looking for anyone in specific or any particular behaviors, you push those features models to the edge and have your cameras do the heavy lifting for you. I love everything graphically appealing, hence my time at NVIDIA, and working with them for over a decade has been a real privilege and an honor to work across so many disciplines of deep GPU applications. Everything that we consume via our smartphones or streaming services would not be possible without innovation in this field. Now, why did I blow the dust off? Well, my rather expensive gaming PC died last year, the poor thing. So whilst I part that out, I thought I'd give Linux a good stretch. Amongst future plans to have a Docker instance of HA, I also plan to train my first neural network, but that's for a future microblog. If you'd like to learn more about AI Powered IoT, get in touch to discuss your requirements and how we can set you on the right path, or perhaps course correct your current journey. I've been Jack of all AI, and you've been awesome. Thanks for watching. Cheers.